Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of cleaning. So today what we're going to do is, in part 3 what we're going to do is put away all the makeup that I have lying around. So just sort it all back into its drawers. And then in part 4, our final part, we're just going to finish cleaning up the floor and vacuum and stuff. I'm doing this after work and netball, so I'm not giving myself too many jobs to do today. We're just gonna sort the makeup. I love watching these kind of videos. I just feel like they're super nice and relaxing to watch. So yeah, I've got a couple of bits of makeup over there, and then yeah, we can sort it all back into the drawers finally. To make things easier, I'm gonna quickly sort it into categories based on the drawers that they go in. That made no sense. I'm gonna sort piles based on which drawers they go in, so that it's easier to put everything in the drawers. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. So these are the little categories. Oh, I think still a couple of things floating around the room, maybe not. I think that's it for now. I honestly thought that we used more makeup, but I guess I used a lot of the same base products and just a lot of the same face paints and stuff. Anyway, so that's little categories. So now let's sort them into their drawers. Okay, on to my favourite part, actually putting the things away. This drawer desperately needs some TLC, but I'm just gonna wait until, I get my new setup and everything like that, because yeah, I know that it's in need of a good, it's a mess in there. These drawers are the same. I've got my glosses and my lip oils together, but just gonna wait and we'll sort it out when we get the new thing going. Also, you've probably noticed that we haven't put any eyeshadow palettes away, and that's because they don't fit, so they're all just sitting on my floor, which is great. Another reason why I need some new storage. But that's everything for this video. Like I said, I'm just really tired tonight, so this was all I could force myself to do. But we are getting so close. It's looking heaps better in here. So I've just got a few nitty gritty things left to do now. Just clean up the rest of the stuff on the floor. The desk is looking so nice and clean. And then yeah, when everything's organised I can vacuum and we can start planning the new studio. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!